Right guys, we're just here on General Street and it's 3:10 and it looks like there's been a bit of an accident here. Like I say, it's 3:10. Police units. I think there's been a collision with this van and this Mercedes.
Lazy bastard.
Yeah, it looks like that Peugeot partner van, the silver one's been in collision with that Mercedes here on General Street. It's Wednesday afternoon at 3:10. Doesn't look as if anybody's been hurt. Yeah, I don't think anybody's been hurt. Bits of plastic and bits of bumper capping debris on the road. Some debris there off this, looks like it's off this Mercedes. That's just the van going over the debris. Yeah, there don't seem to be any casualties. Nobody hurt, was there?
No.
Well, that's one good thing then, isn't it?
Yeah, we pretty much sort of cleared the road and then we just get on with the council just to attend, just to clean it up. Bang on the junction, Bank Street, General Street.
Yeah, it's on the junction of Bank Street and General Street. Spoke to an officer there, he said there was no injuries. At least there was nobody injured anyway, guys.
You alright? Okay.
Police are just tidying up now. They've Radio 3 to get the council out. Probably to clean the area. But looking at the damage on that Mercedes, looks like it's running to the side of that.
There you go. See you later.
Yeah, so I've just spoke to a police officer there. He said there was no injuries to anybody. Obviously it was just a collision. And it's on the corner of Bank Street and General Street here in Blackpool. As you can see where we are. Right guys, I'll end the video there. There's nothing else to carry on filming. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next video. So bye for now.